Hello everyone, welcome back to WS Spoken. You go to place to become fluent in English, even if you don't have a practice partner. Today we are diving into a super relatable topic. Why do we forget English words so easily and how can we actually remember them? If this happens to you, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's fix it together. Segment 1, Why you forget English words. Have you ever learned a new word, felt confident, and then boom, gone from your brain the next day? Well, here's why it happens. First, you only saw or heard the word once. Our brains forgot most things we don't repeat. It's called the forgetting curve. If we don't use a word regularly, our brain deletes it like spam mail. Second, you're not using it in real life. Reading or hearing a word is not enough. If you are not speaking it, writing it, or even thinking in it, it won't stay long. Third, you learn too many words at once. Trying to learn 50 words a day, you will forget 45 tomorrow. It's better to go slow and steady. Segment second, How to fix it. Simple and effective tips. Now, let's talk solutions. Here are 5 powerful ways to remember English words forever. First, use the word in a sentence. Instead of just memorizing, create your own sentence. For example, if the word is confident, say, I feel confident when I speak English with my friends. This connects the word to your real life. Second, speak it out loud. Your mouth has memory too. Say the word 3 to 5 times, then speak to full sentence. This helps your brain and tongue remember together. Third, use spaced repetition. Review the word after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days. There are great apps like Anki or Quizlet that help you space your learning so it sticks. Fourth, connect it with an image or emotion. If the word is celebrate, imagine your last birthday party. Feeling joy helps lock that word in your memory. Fifth, use it in your daily life. Talk to yourself, write daily journals, describe your day using new words. For example, today I was productive. I finished my homework and cleaned my room. Segment third, Real Talk, my personal trick. Let me share one of my favorite tricks, the 3 times rule. Whenever I learn a new word, I use it in 3 different solutions on the same day. First, I write it in a WhatsApp message or journal. Second, I say it in a sentence while talking or recording myself. And third, I use it in a question or reply when watching a YouTube video or reel. Try it and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Remember, forgetting is normal, but giving up is not an option. If you review, speak, and connect new words to your life, you will remember them naturally and speak English with confidence. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. You're not just learning English, you're building a new version of yourself. If you found this podcast helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always learning English. And in the comments, tell me what's one English word you always forget. Let's fix it together. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing with WS Spoken. Thank you.